Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for PrimeXBT. PrimeXBT is a crypto and multi-asset trading platform. You can easily create an account in minutes and start trading safely. First of all, open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then in the search bar type in PrimeXBT. Once you're inside the search results, look for the PrimeXBT trading platform app from Prime Technology Limited and tap on Install to begin downloading the app on your device. Wait for the application to install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once it does, click on Open. Now, from the welcome screen of PrimeXBT, tap on Sign Up to start creating a new account. From the next page where it says Sign Up, you can go ahead and sign up using your email and password option. You can also continue with Google account to complete the registration. I'm just gonna go ahead and type in a valid email in the email tab. After entering the email, head over to the password field and type in a password containing these criteria at the bottom. Finally, click on the sign up button at the bottom to follow through the sign up process. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox. For the email that you just typed in, you'll then be able to receive a PrimeXBT email. Now you can go ahead and open up your email service provider inbox, and then you'll receive an email from PrimeXBT. Go ahead and type down the code that you received via email, and then on the next page, you'll need to select your country of residence. On the next page, set a passcode for your PrimeXBT wallet and confirm the password by retyping it again. Now, you can go ahead and create your first trading account. Choose any one option from the menu and then click on Next. Wait until you create an account. You can go ahead and practice on a demo account by tapping on Practice on Demo so that you can trade without risk. You can also go to a real account if you are pro to trading. I'm just going to tap on Practice option, and there you have successfully created a new account for PrimeXBT. The next step you'll need to complete is to verify your account. Tap the Verify button to verify your identity. Follow through the on-screen instruction and make sure to provide your personal information such as your phone number, address, source of funds, trading knowledge, and if you are a US citizen or not, for tax purposes. Go ahead and fill in all of the information and click on Continue. Follow through the instruction, and after completing the questionnaire, you need to provide your identity document. Make sure to provide government issued ID, and you will then be able to complete your verification as well. And with this, you have successfully completed your PrimeXBT account creation. After your account has been verified, you can make your first deposit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.